In this video, we will learn how the molecules are formed. We know that when atoms combine, they form molecules, right? Why do they combine? To attain the stability, that is octet configuration, that is 8 valence electrons. If an atom has 8 valence electrons in its last shell, the outermost shell, which is also called as valence shell, then it is said to be stable. So atoms will combine with other atoms in order to get the stable configuration, which is called the octet configuration, right? So molecules are formed when atoms combine. When the atoms of the same element combines, they form molecules of elements, right? Now let us discuss that with examples. If you consider helium, represented by the symbol He, neon, Ne, argon, krypton. What are these gases? They are called as rare gases or inert gases. Am I right? They are called as inert. Inert means they are not reactive because they already have the stability, that is 8 electrons in their valence shell. So already they have the octet configuration. So they will just exist as monoatomic element. They will not combine with other atoms. So they are just called as monoatomic. Mono means just one atom. So they will just have one atom. They will not combine with other atoms like oxygen, hydrogen, which is in need of stability. They will either share or accept electrons in order to attain this noble gas configuration, which is the octet configuration. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon are the inert gases which are said to be monoatomic elements. Now let us consider, the first example is over. Let us consider hydrogen atoms, right? So let us represent the hydrogen atom with a coin, right? Now let us consider hydrogen atom. So we know that Z is equal to 1, right? Now I am representing the nucleus of the hydrogen atom, and it has one valence electron. Z is equal to 1, and that is its valence electron with resin. So I am representing one atom of hydrogen, the nucleus of the atom of hydrogen, and its valence electron, which is the one and only electron present in hydrogen because Z is equal to 1. Another hydrogen atom, the nucleus, again I am representing with a coin and its electron with another resin. So we have electron represented here with different colors. That is to represent that they are from different hydrogen atoms. So both are hydrogen atoms, but to represent that they are from different hydrogen atoms, I am representing the electrons with different colored resins, right? So in order to attain the stable configuration of helium, these two hydrogen atoms will form a bond. That is, they will share these electrons. So the two electrons which are shared is represented, that is, these two electrons will be shared by these two in the sense this will be common for both these nucleus. So it will start revolving together between the two atoms. So it will have its stability. That is, it forms a bond. Bond is nothing but the two electrons which are shared is denoted by a single horizontal line, which is called as a bond. So when two atoms combine, it forms a molecule, but it is formed between the atoms of the same element hydrogen. So we say that it is a molecule of the element hydrogen, which is denoted by a formula H2. That is, 2 should be subscript. The 2 refers to the two atoms of hydrogen which have combined. Do you follow? So this is the molecule, one molecule of hydrogen atom, right? Two atoms of hydrogen have combined to form one molecule, right? Now we'll consider another example of oxygen. We'll just take this away. We will deal with the next example of oxygen molecule. So we will represent the same way. Oxygen has the atomic number 8. Am I right? So it is having the electronic configuration 2,6. Now we will represent the nucleus of the two oxygen atoms, and then we will just denote these 6 valence electrons present in the oxygen atom, as we know that the valence electrons are the one which will take part in the bonding with other atoms. So for the first oxygen atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for the next hydrogen atom, we'll just stop from the beginning.